How to style latex pencil skirt for sophisticated look. Dearest viewers, latex doesn't have to look flashy. The secret to making a latex pencil skirt look sophisticated is balance, structure, and confidence. Always keep the upper half soft and refined. A sophisticated latex outfit start with soft fabric like satin, silk, and knitwear. The softness always balances the shine. A tailored fit instantly elevates latex. The skirt should follow the silhouette smoothly, not look overly tight or uncomfortable. So always choose luxury matte colors. Color changes everything. Black, brown, green. Create refined, luxury feel. Dearest beauties, keep in mind, elegance is about wearing latex skirt with refinement. If you like the video and want to see more fashion guide, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Take care.